Hey everyone, Mark here, and today we're making asparagus wrapped in prosciutto.
Let's cook!
Let's start by grating some Reggie and then set it aside. Now grab your asparagus. You can cut, snap, or peel the ends however you like, but I'm gonna show you a couple tips. Now you can snap the asparagus. It's a great way of doing it, but I feel like sometimes you might lose out on a bit of that asparagus end. I feel like with the snapping method, there's still some on the other end that you can get. Now another method, albeit it is slower, you can chop from the end with your knife, slowly moving up. You're gonna notice that your knife is gonna be harder towards the bottom, and as you move up slowly chopping, it's gonna get softer and more tender. As soon as you notice that it's softer, you're good. Now when shopping for asparagus, you wanna look at the head of the asparagus and make sure that it's nice and tight. All those little buds are really close together. Just like that. You know that's gonna be the freshest and also the best flavor. See this one here? The buds are opened up just a little bit. They're starting to open. We don't want that. It's not bad, but it's not as fresh. So tight is good and open is bad. Once that's all done, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on your asparagus, season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, and add some chili flakes. And then massage it all up and set aside. Grab your prosciutto, slowly peel it off. Make sure you're trying to keep it all intact. If you get any loose ends, just eat it. Now grab a piece of asparagus and starting at the end of the piece of the prosciutto, start to roll and tuck, slowly moving the prosciutto up while rolling and tucking. But you also want to move that asparagus because you want to cover as much of the spear as you can with prosciutto. You can also cut the prosciutto in half. That way you can roll more asparagus with less prosciutto. Grab a sheet pan and some parchment paper. Do that crinkling trick and then lay it out flat. Once all the asparagus is laid out, toss that in the oven under the broiler for about 8 to 10 minutes. You may have to rotate them halfway through cooking. Let's poach some eggs. This is the first time I'm cracking an egg with one hand. Let's see how I do. Not bad, not bad. Let's do another one. That one was okay. Today, I'm gonna use the whirlpool method of poaching eggs, mainly because I like it and it's fun. Bring a pot of water to a boil and then turn off the heat and wait for some of those bubbles to disperse. Create your whirlpool by spinning the water quickly in a circle, just like that. I'm gonna show one poach without vinegar and one with vinegar, just to show you that both methods do work. As the water's spinning, dip your egg right in the middle and just let it set. It'll take about 3 to 4 minutes. Use a slotted spoon to remove the egg and place it on a plate lined with paper towel. So same thing here. Bring water to a boil, then turn off the heat, let those bubbles disperse, but this time we're gonna add a little bit of white vinegar. Whirlpool that up again, place your egg in the middle and let it set about 3 to 4 minutes. Use a slotted spoon to remove the egg and place on a plate lined with paper towel. So both methods do work. The one without vinegar, there's some egg whites left behind. The one with vinegar, there's less egg whites left behind because the vinegar helps those egg whites coagulate. Now we can plate. Make it rain with some Reggie. Zest about half a lemon on top. Slowly place that poached egg right on top. Ah, it's sticking. And then finish this dish off with a dash of smoked paprika on the egg. Time to eat. Here it is, what a beautiful dish. Now you can make this as an appetizer, or you can make this into individual servings. That way everyone gets to crack their own egg. That's fun, right? And you can either serve this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. All right, let's get into this. We have the nice egg yolk all over the place. The egg yolk really gives it a nice rich flavor. You know, the prosciutto's wrapped up perfectly around the asparagus. It's nice and crispy, salty. You know how sometimes when you eat prosciutto and it can pull away from you? Here it won't because it's crispy. The asparagus is nice and tender, yet it has some nice char marks to it because it was under the broiler. And you know asparagus has that unique taste profile that everybody loves, which is delicious. So next time you're looking for an appetizer or even a brunch meal, right here. As always, full recipe in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.